Hello guys, review smartphone Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. This version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Our silver color. Okay, look completion. We have documentary and key for SIM slot. Device made of glass and metal. On the back side, triple camera and LED. Okay. In completion, adapter for charging, headphones, and USB Type-C cable. Okay. On the right side, power key and home keys. On the left side, slot for nano SIM cards. Upside, microphone. Downside, USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone, and headphones jack. And this stylus. Okay. On the front side, display 6.7-inch front camera. Okay, turn on device. Device load. Display Full HD, Super AMOLED Matrix, 6.7-inch, open settings, look Android version, about phone, version 1V 2.0, Android 10, version Knox 3.4.1. Okay. Geekbench 5, talk about system information, Samsung Exynos 9810, this is CPU. Octa-core processor, 4+4 cores, CPU speed 1.7 and 2.7 GHz. GPU Mali G78. Resolution display PBA. Okay, look results, single core score and multi-core score. And look, GPU results. Very good results, okay. Antutu benchmark. Super score. And run GTA San Andreas, demanding game, and look how GTA San Andreas works on the device. Options, display setup, max graphic level, start game. Okay, game load. Works very good, perfect. Without lags and glitches. Okay, close GTA San Andreas and talk about camera. Main camera, triple camera, and now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.